Hey, well, today I got myself a new truck. I traded in two of my vehicles and I decided I would get another new truck because all my trucks like this, well, they're old. There's a weird problem with this one right now, and I sure do like to have a truck. And I picked this 2020 F150, and it has the ecoboost 3.5 twin turbo engine. And as you can tell, right now it's stock. You can barely hear it, but I'm gonna change that mighty fast, you know me. It's a nice little truck. Today I'm gonna do a mod on it, which is gonna be a free flow exhaust system. I'm basically going to drop the boat anchor mufflers and replace it with the free flow one chamber muffler, which is really a budget exhaust system, because the muffler is only going to cost me $25, and I've got it, and the tip cost me $20. Nice big tip to finish off my custom one-off exhaust system. Here's the 3.5 twin turbo ecoboost. Listen how quiet it is. And from the factory, I'm pretty happy with the intake this particular truck has, because unlike my 2014 that I used to have a long time ago, it only got the air out of the side of the fender. Well, this new style gets air right from the front. So it's scooping out air right around the grill and hood area. So all that cold air goes right in. So I actually like this intake. The only thing I'm going to change, which I don't like, is inside here and inside here are these little restrictor things. They're kind of like the Tornado, but on a natural aspirated engine, the Tornado creates a swirl. On a turbo engine, they're not needed because the turbo is the swirl. So you don't need these resonators they stuck in the intake. So I'm going to remove the two resonators here and here, and you'll be able to hear my turbo whoosh a lot better, because right now you can't hear anything. You just hear the injectors and the fan when it turns on. So here's the introduction to my new sleeper truck. First thing I'm going to do is a custom exhaust system on it. I'll leave the intake alone, and more to follow.